Go ahead, step forward and grab the straight bar. You want to keep your hands by your side. That's how far you know to grab it. Shoulders back and down. Stay as close to the table as you can without hitting it. Curl it up and bring it up to by where your shoulders are. Now, slightly bent knees, hip, knee, ankle is lined up. Shoulders back and down, abs tight. Wrists are going to be straight. Hold that bar nice and tight. His face, his head is straight. Go ahead and lock out your arm all the way up. Beautiful. Squeeze that shoulder. Now come down about an inch under shoulder. Your arm, when you're coming down, isn't in too much or out. It's perfectly straight and perpendicular to the floor. That way it maximizes the amount of weight and resistance that's going on your anterior deltoid. You're going to blow out on the way up, breathe in on the way down. You're not going to move around. You're going to keep nice and stiff. Your elbows are lined up with the side of your body. Make sure your elbows aren't out or in too much. Perfectly straight. So you want to line them up with your shoulders.